Welcome to Hinton Mill Road in beautiful Dover Township, located just east of the city of Marysville and 15 minutes northwest of Dublin in Union County, Ohio. Sheridan Associates is pleased to offer this beautiful 148-acre farm at public auction on Wednesday, May 29th at 4 p.m. at the Union County Fairgrounds. Featuring 103 productive tillable acres, 40 wooded acres, and stream frontage along the scenic Mill Creek. This is a productive farm recently improved with systematic tiling. Enjoy over 40 acres of woods and Mill Creek for great hunting and recreational activities. This property is perfect to add to your existing acreage or to purchase as your private getaway. For complete property and auction details, visit us at SheridanTeam.com. Auction representatives will be at the property on Tuesday, May 21st from 4 to 5:30 p.m. or by appointment to meet with you and answer your questions. Sheridan Associates is a leader in the sale of rural and agricultural real estate throughout the state of Ohio. Whether buying or selling, contact our office to schedule a no-fee consultation. We look forward to having you join us at the Union County Fairgrounds on Wednesday, May 29th at 4 p.m. for the sale of this beautiful Union County property.